Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Please, anyone that knows this woman called Nelly of Abel, if you know Nelly, if you know Owasofia, send them this message. All right? Number one, I'm not here to call them names. I'm not here to abuse them. I'm here to ask them if we can do any program together one-on-one. I want to ask them some questions about their Edu Kingdom. I want to ask them some questions. The same way I go to Udele platform to ask him some questions. The same way I invited the wounded civilian to ask him why he hates Nnamdi Kanu so much. I want also to go to my own sisters, you know, my own sisters, the Nelly of Abel and Owasofia, to ask them questions without insults. Because my own, I believe in face-to-face. I'm not a comment social person. Or anybody else that wants to talk about it, then tell me. Just raise up your hand. I will bring you in. We talk about it right now. You know, I am autopilot, but I hate what they said concerning our leader. Listen, guys, I have already made up my mind that I will support this autopilot agitation. I have made up my mind because I see that a lot of things is going wrong. I see that a lot of things is going wrong. You cannot tell us in one way we shouldn't go to do election. We should go and do election. If we don't go, that the American government will tag us terrorists. If we stay at home eating a one-sara soup, according to Nnamdi Kanu, says sit at home and eat a one-sara soup. If you don't stay at home to eat your one-sara soup on the day of election, American government that ran from Afghanistan will come and tag you terrorist. But now, when you kill somebody, the name of the person is baby, you will be posting it on your social media as a DOS. You post it on your social media, you say DOS power, then you ginger people to be singing Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. The same America that said when you sit at home doing civil disobedience, they will tag you terrorists. The same America, they are not seeing you now when you kill somebody and parading him and saying Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. I don't understand, man. You guys just think that we are all stupid. So I have a lot of reasons, okay? I'm not here to talk about the US. I have a lot of reasons why I say, okay, if Simon Ekpa and his group will make things happen, let's support them. I have my reasons. I have every reason in the world to say, okay, we cannot just sit down because the court case that is coming now on the 16th is not even a court case. This is just to deliberate whether they are going to argue about the accusations or not, or whether they are going to squash it. And the judge is not going to say, okay, we'll squash everything and they can go. It's not going to happen. What the judge is going to do is that maybe she will say, it's 15 count charge. Count A and count B is the same thing, we match it together. Count B and count C is the same thing, we match it together. At the end of the day, from that 15, it will come to 8 or it will come to 5. Then now they will now postpone it to the next 4 months. All this thing is waiting for the next election. Do you understand? There's somebody will not tell us, yeah, we don't have to do anything. Let me tell you guys what. This is not even why I'm here. I'm here to address Nelly of Abel. But let me just keep this in. If your son or your daughter is sick, very sick, your son or your daughter is sick, you can't even talk, you will do everything it takes to make sure your son or your daughter doesn't die. If they say Dibia, you go there. If they say George, you go there. If they say it's Pastor T.B. Joshua, you go and remove him from the graveyard, bring him up for him to cure your daughter. If they say it's what they call a hospital, you will find money, you will sell land to get money to go to hospital. You will even do donation. You will go to Okuro Randibo. You will go to Matthias looking for who will help you. These are two people that I rate. You see these two people I mentioned, Matthias and Okuro Randibo. After Nnamdi Kanu, After Nnamdi Kanu, these two people are coming on the top list of people that I respect in Igbo land. You see Ukuro Randibo, you see Matthias, both of them, they are coming very, very up. So, that one apart. So, if your child is sick, you will do everything to rescue. Your child is not the person to tell you, Mama, please take me to Boy Joshua. Mama, please take me to Didia. Mama, please take me to the doctor. Mama, go and raise funds. It's you as a parent who do everything it takes for you to make sure that your child doesn't die. Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. So you expect him to come and tell you, please, oh, I'm in prison, oh. Yeah, you guys should do demonstration, oh. Please, oh, I'm in prison, oh. You guys should sit at home every Monday, oh. Okay, you guys should lock up the whole Biafra land. So is Nnamdi Kanu supposed to come and tell you that? Man, anyways, so I'm just telling you guys that I have my reasons why I want to support Simon Ekpa and his group. Do you understand? I have my own reasons. Nobody's feeding me. I can decide. I have my own reasons. It's not everything that they say I support. At least 98% of what Simon Ekpa is saying is true. 98 is very big, man. 98 is very, very big. Maybe that 2% is some propaganda that is in between. But anybody does propaganda. But 98% of Simon Ekpa, what he's saying is good. Economic sanction. Sit at home. Guys, if you have people at home, tell them to sit at home on Mondays. Whether you believe in DOS, whether you don't believe in DOS, if your people died, they died. You see Okorocha and the other one, and the opposite of them, they are dragging who is the owner of a non-government. They are dragging it. You see it. So tell your people to stay at home. Or if you can tell me one person that died because of hunger and starvation during a Monday, stay at home. Not the ones that are non-government killed, though. That one at my hand, no day. Anybody that was at home on a Monday and the person died because of hunger, tell me the person. I will send people to go and investigate if the person really died of hunger on a Monday. I will give you 1 million naira and give the family 1 million. I will do it. If you have seen anybody that died on a Monday because of hunger, not because the person is sick, not because the person is killed by a non-government, Rochas or Korocha and Hopos or them non-government, not because of that. The person died because of hunger. The person don't have anything to eat, and the person died on a Monday. On a Monday, since Nnamdi Kanu is being kidnapped. If you tell me anybody that died on a Monday, I will give you 1 million. I will give the family of the person that died 1 million. That is 2 million. Call this video and save it. This is Facebook Live. I will give you 1 million if the person really died because of hunger on a Monday. So you guys shouldn't, man. I will address this topic next time because I'm not in the mood to talk about this. But I'm saying that we have a lot of reasons why I believe that what Simon Ekpa is doing is good. But this woman Nelly Ofebu, that is the person I want to address. Where are you coming from and where are you going? What is it? I told my girlfriend the other day. We were talking about Biafra because she's also a Biafra agitator. I told my girlfriend the other day. You see Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa really wants Biafra from his heart. You can see it. You can feel it from his voice. You can feel it. You can feel it you can feel it. You can see it. I know when he was begging the US, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me. I know when he cried on his platform. You can feel it that he don't want to disappoint Nnamdi Kanu. Even if Nnamdi Kanu come out tomorrow and say, Simon Ekpa, you are wrong. But his intention is real. I see it. I'm not stupid. I watch everybody. You see Simon Ekpa, his intention is 100% real. I'm just coming back from work. I'm so hungry. To do these videos, I can't even speak. But this guy is always online, talking, preaching. I mean, trying to educate people, trying to analyze things after his work. It's not easy, brothers. It's not easy. 4 hours, 5 hours. The other day I did 5 hours broadcast. I almost fainted afterwards. Man, seriously. Give respect to who respect is due. But now, I have praised Simon Ekpa enough. You see Nelly of Abel. The only advice I will give to Simon Ekpa is the more you associate yourself with Nelly, you are going to lose, if this thing goes on, you are going to lose people that are supposed to support you. I'm telling you, because this Nelly, I know that Simon Ekpa is trying to be politically correct. He don't want to have issues with Nelly because Nelly have bad mouth. He is trying to manage her. He's trying to manage her. He's trying to manage. But brother, call a spade a spade. Like seriously, Nelly of Ebu, you cannot come out. You say you see do. I was listening to our brother Raphael today. Yeah, I saw his video. Nnamdi Kanu gave us an assignment to do. He said we should go and research about the kingdom. When you have finished with the research, why not keep it and wait for him to come out? Why are you being so forward? You want to take over. You want to become Idu. You say Biafra is a killer name. You say that Biafra is a killer name. If you answer Biafra, you die. Nnamdi Kanu, your following tell you it's either Biafra or death. He said that you should be fanatic about Biafra. He never told you should be fanatic about Idu. Yeah, he never told you should be fanatic about any other thing. He said you should be fanatic about Biafra. He said that my parents died because of Biafran agitation. Then you want to change the name. You say you don't want to change the name. You want it to do Biafra. What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Why can't you keep that your research that you have done and keep it until Nnamdi Kanu can come out? When he come out, you can tell him, Nnamdi Kanu, this is the research you said we should do. This is what I found. Nnamdi Kanu on his program, he was praising Obasanjo. I played it to wounded civilian the other day. He was praising her. He said that when Obasanjo was telling me about Igodo, I didn't take it serious. It's Obasanjo that made me understand that when I start to research, that's now when I know that this name is very powerful. Igodo is the key that opened the door or the key or whatever. Nnamdi Kanu was praising Obasanjo. So now, Obasanjo, why are you going on social media disgracing Nnamdi Kanu's wife? Let me tell you guys what. You see me? You can insult me all you like. You can insult me all you like. Even if you see me on the street, insult me, I will not even talk to you. But touch my wife or insult her, that is when you will know the other side of me. You see my wife? You see my child? Touch my child. If you say you are a racist in Germany now, because my child is half caste, she is going anywhere, then you touch her, or you spit on her, or you push her. There is no police is coming, I will kill you that day. Do you understand? Or you touch my wife. That is when you will see the other side of me. So, anybody, if you have a wife, it's supposed to be your pride. Nnamdi Kanu always rate Obasanjo. He always give him her respect. Whenever Obasanjo called on phone, he always give Obasanjo so much respect. Obasanjo, this is for you. This is for you. You think, I don't know what you people think that you people are. You will open your line, you will be talking, you will go to the SIMA platform, you will be talking jargon upon jargon. If Nelly or if you people plan what you have to say, you come and be abusing Nnamdi Kanu's wife. Who are you? Who are you to bring mouth where Nnamdi Kanu's wife is? This woman has been going through a lot. This woman has been going through a lot. Since, if it's not because of the support Nnamdi Kanu is getting from his wife, do you think you will know who is Nnamdi Kanu? Sometimes I will do program 5 hours. Like the other day, I was doing program here with Mayo and other people. It lasted 5 hours. My girlfriend was asking me, why are you, is it the whole day? You are, today, Saturday, you are free. Today is supposed to be a family day. You are on your laptop doing Biafra the whole day, 5 hours. She's not angry because I was talking about Biafra. She is also a dictator of Biafra. But her anger is that, why must I make it 5 hours? And she is right. She is right. There is time for everything according to the Bible. You cannot talk about Biafra the whole day that you have free. Do you understand? Then not to talk about a woman that her husband, morning, afternoon, night, all he's doing is Biafra. He will pray 7 times a day for Biafra. He will make all the calls. All these zombies that are in the US, he will talk to all of them one by one. He will talk to financial secretary. He will try to make everything happen. Only one man, he's having hypertension. And his wife is enduring. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. This is almost 12 years now. The wife is enduring. He will travel. He will go to UN conference. He will go to everywhere. He's going everywhere to agitate. He will go to Germany. He will travel. On the process, his 2 parents died. That is why she cannot just go on a normal holiday now in Nigeria like everyone else. She cannot just go on a normal holiday like everyone else and enjoy. You don't know what this woman is saying. Nnamdi Kanu's wife, you don't know what she is saying. She is having 2 children. The father is not there. If one of the child is sick, nobody will help her take the child to hospital. And you are on social media. You are on social media with Nelly of Abel. You are on social media cursing a man's wife. Then you say it's your leader, it's your leader. First of all, you people castigated all their family members. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. All the family members are evil, all of them. Now you people have now come to his wife, Nelly Ofebu and Obasanjo. What exactly are you people trying to achieve? Do you think that we are stupid? Do you guys think you people are coming small? First of all, is Idu. So first of all, is Idu. Then it's Nnamdi Kanu brothers. All of them are F1. Then we are looking at you. Now you now in small now. You think you have graduated. You think you have risen up the ladder. Nsima, you have changed your name to first son of Idu. Because Nelly of Ebu, sweet talk you, he call you my son. Guy, let me tell you what. I know you, I mean, like some people have not seen a woman before. There are some men, let me tell you what, there are some men that you think that they are smart, you think that they are brave. But if a woman, if a girl, a fine girl come and tell them sit down, they will sit down immediately. They cannot be man enough. They cannot be man enough to table their opinion, to say, listen, don't do this. Nsima is supposed to be one of them. I'm not here to bash you. I'm not here for Zaga. I'm telling you man to man. I believe in that thing that you believe in, but not that's what you do. Nonsense. I don't believe in it. Nsima, you're supposed to be man enough to know that because you have never married before. If you marry, you go and pay a dowry of a woman. You marry her, you have 2 children with this woman. Then you have a problem. You are in prison. Then 2 other women come to another man platform. I know you guys are abusing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife. I want to ask you guys one question. What did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife do to you? What did is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife DOS? Is she the legal team? What did she do to you guys? What did she do? I have watched videos why this woman is everywhere agitating, supporting. Do you know, even the support, even the food she's cooking for her husband is enough support that gives Mazi Nnamdi Kanu strength to move on. Nnamdi Kanu is having a lot of sickness. He's having high blood pressure. He's having this. Who is supporting him? Who is making sure he takes his medicine? Who is making sure that he go to his hospitals and everything? Who have been there taking care of the children when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is away, trying to make sure that Biafra comes? Who have been there for the children? Who have been taking care of the home? So now, just because 6 months Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not there, you people now drag out his wife and you are butchering his wife up and down. Nelly, your husband, you are what they call it? Your marriage failed. Is it our fault? Is it whose fault is it? I don't want to go into your private life. You know the reason why your marriage failed. Then go and deal with it. I mean, leave people alone. Nelly of Ebu, this is for you. This video is for you. And I am ready, like I said. I am ready. I have even gone. Now, you told us that what is his name? Udele. Udele is right. Biafra is a scam. Just like this one that is writing Biafra is a scam. Stephen Morgan, this is Udele people. Nelly say that you people are right. Nelly, so you want to convert all of us because you think you are queen of Idu, queen. You think people will call you on phone, hey, queen, our queen, our queen. You will be popping up. You were never on social media before. Now Nnamdi Kanu is no longer there. Now you are now the goddess of social media. You are looking for platforms to, I don't know, the money that they say you gave. I am not sure about that. That's why I'm not talking about it. If truly and truly that you give people money to buy laptop, you give people money, they want Sampe Master. I'm not sure because I didn't really follow those news. So I cannot say what I don't know. If he's really sure, you know yourself. If he's really sure that you give people money, buy them laptop, which means 100 over 100, there is something that you're looking for. And this money is not coming from you. This money is coming from somewhere else. This is a politician money, 100%. Because as I am now working, I just come back from work. Then I'll now just call somebody and give the person laptop. Call the other person and give the person 1 million. Nobody does that. No matter how much you are not Mark Sugar, even Mark Sugarberg cannot call you and give you 1 million naira. It doesn't work that way. Anybody that work hard for his money cannot just call you and give you 1 million. Even Obi Kubana do it in another way. He will help people. He will send them to school. He will do it another way. He will not just call you and say, yeah, because you are talking about Biafra here, 1 million. If really and truly that Nelly of Ebu is giving people a laptop and giving them 1 million, which means 100 over 100, that money is coming from a politician. I don't know what Nelly of Ebu is looking for. Like I've told you guys, you see Simon Ekpa. My spirit is telling me that Simon Ekpa is truly and truly using all his might and energy to fight for this Biafra agitation, to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Nelly, you see Nelly, go and mark this thing. You see this video today, go and pin it somewhere. When the time comes, you will bring this video up. Nelly of Ebu is looking for something. Either he wants to form his own group. She said that Biafra is a scam, Biafra is a dead, Biafra is a nonsense, Biafra is a killer name. But when she wants to sign anything she's signing, she will sign Nelly Idu. Financial and Assets Recovery, IPOB. Then ask her, what is the meaning of IPOB? Indigenous People of Biafra. The same Biafra that you say that Biafra is a killer name, Biafra is evil, Biafra is Satan. You are still signing with IPOB because you know you cannot sign with IPOD, Indigenous People of Idu, or the IPOI or some Idu, EI, ID, IPOI. You cannot sign with that. That's why you keep on signing with IPOB. You cause Biafra. The same Biafra Maznan cannot tell you that you should be fanatic about Biafra. You tell us, let's get Biafra. When we get Biafra, we can sit down and deliberate and check which name favors us. We can vote for the name. We can change everything we want. But first of all, let's go out there and fight for Biafra. Every agitation Maznan is going to do it. You are going to agitation with Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Now I see a lot of documents now. Everybody is signing with Idu. People are giving them their own. Maybe so they have secretary now. They will sign Idu. So if you want to do a demonstration now in Berlin, you want to do a demonstration now, like I'm campaigning for 1 million march demonstration all over the world. That is my campaign. So if you want to do it now, then you bring a very big placard. Then you write it, Idu, Nation. Then you want me to promote it? You want me to carry it? Am I stupid? I'm not stupid now. I'm not stupid. I cannot promote nonsense. I'm not telling you Idu. See, we know that Igodomigodo is the key that opens the key. Igodomigodo is the key of Biafra. Whatever, no problem, we accept it. But why don't you leave this Igodomigodo nonsense for now until when Mazinan can come out? You say God told you. God told you what? God told you what? So if I wake up tomorrow now, you see me, for example, there are many things I don't like. For example, Biafra National Anthem. In my head, I say, I was like, why should a Finnish man or whichever white man write our Biafra National Anthem? But that is not the problem. I cannot wake up now and say, God told me Biafra National Anthem is not right. God told me now we have to rewrite it. I cannot do it. I can never do it. Let's get the Biafra first. If we get the Biafra, we can now raise our hand up and say, listen, no, this national anthem, we don't like it. Because it's a white man that wrote it. I can start my own argument. If there is a parliament, I will go there. If there is a petition, I will write it. I'll write it and say, why should a white man write our national anthem for us? But you cannot challenge all these things when Maznan is not there. You cannot challenge all these things when Maznan is in dungeon. You cannot talk about all these things when you don't even have the Biafra. Get the Biafra first. Azota Azowute. So you see Nelly, there must be something she's looking for. 100%, 100 over 100. This is not normal. Now she's dragging Maznan Kanu wife, and that is why I'm here. So like I told you guys, this is going to be a very, very short one. Anybody that know her, send this video to her. I am not a comment section person. If I call on her program, she will call me Lucifer, she will bang, and Sima, all of them will be laughing. I don't do that. I do face-to-face. Tell her that I want us, if it's in Sima page, Sima have my number. Sima, you have my number. You have my number. I have asked Sima this on her WhatsApp. I told her that I want to talk to Nelly on your program. Let her come and talk about that you do. Don't only shouting on phone because I'm on phone. You can always cut me anyhow. Let's do it Zoom, StreamYard, Zoom meeting, whatever it is, face to face. Tell me about that Idu. Let's talk about it. If I can go to Udele platform, if I can go to what is his name, Wounded Civilian, then it's Nelly. I know she has voice, she can shout. I can shout as well. But we do it maturely. Come on, let's talk about that Idu. Why must we talk about Idu now when Maznan Khan is in prison? She's sleeping on the floor. You are here talking about Idu. Which kind of nonsense Idu? Which kind of nonsense Idu? He told you to go and do research. Why not wait until he come out? Why do you want to come and pose yourself and become queen of Idu? What are you dragging? What are you looking for? Power. Now you are dragging Maznan Khan's wife. What exactly are you looking for in this family? You drag all his brothers out. I didn't say anything because maybe you have your... you are financial secretary, financial audit, recovery. Maybe you have your reason why you are dragging the Kanu brothers out. I never said anything. Even though I don't like the manner you were dragging all of them out. The manner you are telling the Kanu family, all of them are evil. I don't like it. I don't like it. If I'm Nnamdi Kanu, I come out and you are calling all my family, even my brother or my sister do one or two bad things. That is not the reason why you should come and tell the whole world my family is evil. My family is evil. So, Maznan Kanu family is evil. His wife is evil, so it's only Maznan Kanu you pick. So what are you looking for? What exactly are you looking for? If you are liking Maznan Kanu as a woman can like a man, you tell us, let's know. You can have a crush on somebody. It's okay, it's acceptable. You understand? So like I said, I'm not here to abuse. If you check my words, I've not abused you. Nelly of Abel, I want to talk to you face to face, not on phone, because the same way you have voice, the same way I have voice. The same way you are a doctor in your profession, that's the same way I am also a professional in my own profession. So everybody cannot be a doctor. Just because you have a doctor title doesn't make you whatever. You are not. You are like. If you say I don't know if anybody have ever seen my girlfriend. My girlfriend, the day she was calling me Lucifer, she have luck that my girlfriend don't catch her in. Or is she living in Texas or what? Catch her in any club anywhere, then she will know there is smart people and another mad people. She will know, not even me. It's my girlfriend that will deal with her for calling me Lucifer. Let her ask anybody in Berlin who is called Jamaican pineapple. Ask anybody in Berlin who is Jamaican pineapple. You understand? She's the one that will just finish her. She will just see her in club or bar or African bar say, is it you that called my husband Lucifer? That's when she will know that I don't abandon that day. So man, that one is not the issue why I'm here. What I'm trying to say is this. Nelly, stop dragging Mazen's kind of wife. Don't drag her. Who are you? Who are you to drag the woman? You don't know what the woman is facing. You don't know how many demons the woman is fighting every day. You don't know. You don't know how many pressure she's getting from the family. You don't know if the brothers is accusing her that she have hypnotized her man. You don't know if they're accusing her that it's even her that killed the parents. You don't know if her own family is accusing her that it's because of her that their mother died of hypertension. She just lost her mother. She lost her in-laws. Her husband is in jail. She have 2 children all alone. And you as a woman are supposed to know more. You are coming out to Sofia. That one, I don't even understand her. You will abuse the whole Igbo people. Igbo people do you this. Igbo people do you this. When I will be the one to go on wounded civilian to defend you as Sofia, and you are abusing Igbo people. What kind of people are you people? And you want us to come and support you with autopilot. I am already supporting autopilot, but I'm not going to carry any placards that say Idu. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid just because Nelly of Abel, she will come and dress up. My sister, see, let me tell you what. We have seen women, no types of pee we have not seen. My China or my King Kanu, no one we will never open. No one we will never see. So it's some people like Sima, you will come and intimidate with my son, Idu son, and they listen, relax, calm down, Zuike. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is this? If you want to start your Idu agenda, this is a free word. This is a free word. Nobody's disturbing you. Start your Idu agenda. Many people, what is Asare? Say he want to start phase 2 government with Uchemefo. Where are these phase 2 government now? There are many movements everywhere. If you want to start Idu movement, start it. Stop hiding under IPOP and be doing Idu. That is nonsense. That is nonsense. That is nonsense. That is nonsense. You think that you are smart, you can talk. I swear to God, you are lucky. You are lucky that we are not living in that your city. Whether it's Texas you're living or California, wherever you are living, you are very, very lucky. I will not even do anything. I will not even me touch you. I will decree. It's my girlfriend that will come and tell you. If she will drag your hair, ask you, who are you calling Lucifer online? I'm not on there, man. This one I'm telling you guys, if you know anybody in Berlin, ask the person, do you know who is Jamaican pineapple? That is when you people will know that you cannot just come and abuse somebody's husband or boyfriend and go scot-free. Not to talk about abusing somebody's wife that is in prison. You cannot do it. A man that is laying all his life, he have lost everything. And now you are dragging his wife. So you are the best woman. If you are the best woman, what is your own husband doing? Why can't your husband come and help us get Biafra? You support your husband. If you don't marry, then marry. If he's in Sima, you want to marry in Sima. You people will get us Biafra. We will support you. I will 100%. I will even come here and apologize. I will support Nsima, and if they both of them marry now, you guys give us Biafra. Then they will put Nsima in jail for at least 2 days. Then you as a woman, you will support him. You will cook for him. You will pray for him as a woman. That is what wife do. The wife always pray for the husband. A wife will pray for the husband, cook for the husband, wash his clothes. Tell him, my husband, go to you and come back in peace. You want to go to America, Trump rally, go and come back in peace. That is what this woman have been doing. You don't know if Mazen Kanu is fighting with his wife. You don't know. Maybe his wife is trying to protect and hide things so that things will not escalate. Let me tell you what, the pastors you see, all these pastors you see, their wives know that the pastors are sleeping with the church choir. But what do you know what the wife do? The wife will cover it for them. The wife of Suleiman will cover everything. You think that the wife of Suleiman don't know what Suleiman is doing? But he will cover it. You don't know the problems and stress and family stress that Mazinan kind of wife is facing. You don't know what they are facing. You don't know if they are quarreling internally. You don't know. Who doesn't quarrel internally with your wife or your girlfriend? Who doesn't do that? Who doesn't have family issues? Who? You don't know what she's facing every day. Now you are on social media dragging a fellow woman like you because you think you have a voice. You think you have a voice. You come on, you see my platform. You are trying to, I don't know whether you, I don't know. They say that you pay the same. I don't know. I don't want to say that. But every day you are on my platform. You people are, you do, and you are castigating another man's wife. Yeah? You don't do that. If you, the moment, Simon Ekpa, my brother, I know you're a politician. You are a very clever man. This one is for you, brother. You are very, very intelligent. You are very intelligent. My brother. My brother. The same way you talk to DOS about the nonsense they are doing, about the iniquity and the corruption that they are doing. I believe you, brother. That is the same way you're supposed to tell Nelly. I know you have said it before. I watched the program where you said that nobody should touch him as an kind of wife. I know you have said it before, but it's not the same way I'm saying it right now. You don't have to say the same way I'm saying it, but you have to caution these people. You have the power. Caution them. My brother, you know it's not right. Caution them. Caution them. Caution Nelly and this. I don't buy favor from anybody. If you want to hate me, hate me. Anybody that wants to hate me, if you want to hate me, kill me if you want. But if you touch my wife, I'll kill you. If you touch my wife, that day you die. Me and you will die. No police. Then my child, you now come and touch my child. Hey. You think I'll call police? I will shoot you. I will finish you that day before police will come. That is how it is. You don't touch somebody's wife anyhow. So guys, I'm going to end this because I'm very hungry. I'm coming back from work. Please, number one, send this to Nelly of Ebu and Wasofia. Any one of them that want to come, let's talk about it. It's not a debate. We're not fighting. Let's talk about Idu and let's talk about Mazen and the kind of wife. Let's talk about it like brothers. Tell me why you have to drag this woman. Why? What did she do to you? Tell me. I want to know from them. I want to know for them. It's so, I don't want phone call. I want it face to face. Either here on this page or I will come to your page. I don't fear. I want you to tell Biafrans and tell me because I'm going to ask you that question. Why are you dragging this woman? You have dragged everybody in the family. All of them are evil. Only you are the righteous person. Then go and marry and bring your husband and let your husband, or also if you are married to a white man, let that your white man start doing something as a white man to get us Biafra. If you are married to a black man, let him come out. This is agitation. Bring everybody. I brought my girlfriend in. She's agitating. She's not even Nigerian. She's a Jamaican. She's agitating for Biafra. Do you understand? What is his name? Her name, Nelly. If you don't have a husband, marry one. Marry one. Bring him in. Let him agitate for Biafra. Let's support all of you. I will be the first person that will come here and apologize and say sorry. Then I will support you with everything I want. Even if you say you do now, then I will tell you, let's do it, do. You cannot just be there. You don't have husband. You want to scatter other people's relationship. Why are you doing that? So you want to push this woman now to go and do something that is wrong. His husband will come out and his husband will be mad of her. Then both of them will separate. Then you will start laughing. What exactly are you looking for? This question I want to ask you face to face. My sister, Nelly Idu, I want to ask you this question face to face. Since you can shout, I will leave you to shout. Then I will ask you the question again. What exactly do you want from this woman? What do you want from Mazen and wife? What? What do you want from her? So the people they have already sacrificed in the family, it's not enough for you. It's not enough. Her own mother died. Her mother-in-law and the father-in-law died. They buried them the same day. The same day. She cannot go to Nigeria now and say, okay, I come to my in-law's place. Mama, cook soup for me. She cannot do that anymore. Her children, you don't even know if their children have eaten today. You don't know how their children are coping. If they're going to school, somebody has to, if she's having COVID now, for example, who is going to be taking the children to school? If she's sick now, who is going to take care of the children? You don't know about their family business. Then you are on social media dragging the woman up and down. Bacharanya, I don't want to abuse you. I have sisters. I have mothers. I respect women a lot. I have did a video here. I have told you use that your voice and attack Nigerian government. You're using that your voice to talk about Idu, to abuse man's kind of wife. Who are you? Who made you this? Who made you? When did you become so big? Who are you? When did you become so big, Nelly of Abel? When did you become this big? Since we start to give people 1 million, I don't know where the money is coming from, but you cannot tell me that is your hard-earned money. Even if you are a doctor, you are doing, after you work the whole day, then you take the whole money and give somebody in Nigeria. According to them, Sampe Master got money. This one got money. You come, you deny it. Only you and your God know which one is true. I cannot go there because I don't have any evidence. The people that you get laptop, they come and say you bought them laptop. Why are you doing all these things? Why? Why? What is the intention? Don't you have poor people in your village that you can feed? What exactly are you looking for? What exactly? Come out and tell us what you want. If you want to establish your own Edu kingdom, make it known. Let's know. If we want to support you, we support you. But stop dragging everybody up and down. So you are the only angel. Anybody, if I call you on phone, you call me Lucifer, Lucifer. Why do you ask me about this? You are Lucifer. So you are the only angel. God told you. God revealed to you. God told you. Like, what the fuck? So if I wake up now and tell you people, God told me. Anyways, today is not a day of broadcast. I just saw what Mazi Paul Echebe is doing. And Jude Okechukwu, shut up, Mr. Man. You are talking nonsense. Jude Okechukwu, I hope you have a wife. And somebody will come on social media and drag your wife and call your wife Ashawo and call your wife all sorts of names. Somebody is going to do it to you. If you don't want to have a wife, anytime you have a wife in your future, now Bugonu today, I have cursed you. If they don't abuse your wife on social media, they will abuse her on your street. I got about your wife, Otto. Jude Okechukwu, you think that you have social media?